Talofa, and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, thank you for being here. We're a family channel sharing real life, first-time experiences, and genuine moments together. To our loyal supporters, thank you for sticking with us. We truly appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and come be part of our journey.
The pool is off limits, right? Yeah. Wow, look at that. Yay. Mom, no. Pretty. Yay. Eat. Could swim all day. I think so. Yeah. Oh wow. Ongo será o fico lima la correct. Ele po. Ele. Le melele. The ocean view. FMA ele mo ku kai kong. Ongo será o fico lima po. Ele pouco. Lele. FMA eu mo ku kai kong. Ai também assim, né? Fácil lá lima escuro. Even the day, babe, you can stay for a day, but you come in the morning and 250 for one day and check out at 5. What you say, Ra?
But this, beware of the rip in this channel. What does that mean?
I don't know. But this is a nice view for a day like this. There's nothing going on. Just relax and enjoy the pool and vai kamikia ka alo mai. Alu loi lalo le la ma ngai alo le au. What? Yeah, le la le. Should have got the ball, right?
How am I going to play the ball?
You can play with that. Oh, because they...
Look at those guys.
Come right here.
Skama ito Messina. The shade is better, huh? Hassan, the shade is better? Ay, she got the ball. All the lounging chairs. Look at him. He's not satisfied. Beautiful day here in Return to Paradise. These are their ocean view foliage. They said they have a kitchen inside. Merry Christmas! Ooh! There's a cover in behind you. Really nice. Talofa, Talofa. Oh, I still have sunscreen on. Here is paradise. Return to paradise. See those villas behind me? I think those are 3-bedroom villas. Very gorgeous. This is our first time here. And look at that. Oh, kasemana ya. Perfect to relax. Relax your mind from all the noise of the world. Just you, yourself, and the view. It is the view for me. And the water is so cold. Today is Christmas in Samoa, and we decided to come spend Christmas Day here and return to paradise. And look at this. How can you not? Raya's doing a TikTok over there. Beautiful. Hurry up before my battery died. And then also the sand's gonna go into the wire thing. And I think I did, not sure. But if I didn't, I'll walk back. What?
The guy asked if we wanted to take a picture.
Oi!
And look, it's your mom.
Alema mea sa funeti man. These are in front of these ocean villas. They're really nice. But the thing is, you're only allowed 2 guests in this front villa room. Not villa room. The villas are all the way down there. Malo seafood? Oye, mafayang fay okay naman eh. Oh, okay. We're Lako le lalo. Yeah. Look at that.
Mom, we didn't even take a picture at the chapel.
We did it?
No.
Oh.
Can I go take a picture?
No, I don't want you to go by yourself over there. Hi.
Now I'm hungry.
Jason, cámara de Fereo. Ooh. I thought you were sleeping. Ê, calma. Famei ele. Marco le ile aso. Ola la me sau le mio le sau ai male. Mane ko suka la ile kama kale aso.
O que ele não foi?
No.
Tá fora. Eu tô sucar ali com ele mesmo. E o que não me. O
Okay.
papel é o vale copi. E
Koi koko. Yeah. Oye, so menu. Sorry.
Aí, mano, vai.
Yeah. Babe, it's a nice resort. It's big. All the way down there. Kumula, oh. Yeah, le fun. Ah, la fa pia nga ele. Ele fa sale fa efek pa po. Ay lalo ay oh. Here's lunch. So we order fish and chips. That's how it looks like. The kids order spaghetti. And the man of the house orders sashimi and okra. Sashimi. Grandma order salad and also fish and chips.
That's how it looks good.
And that's
Our view.
and that's our view. I think it's 4 o'clock here. It's the Christmas for us. Quiet and relaxing. Can't wait for the sun to go down, sunset.
Put them in here. I think I'll download that.
Yeah. Here's our honest review and overall thoughts about this place. One of the biggest things our family look for when choosing a hotel or Airbnb, especially now that we're here in Samoa, it's safety and cleanliness. Because we have kids, we always do a quick scan of the environment before we settle in. Again, the service. From the security at the front gate to the gardener, the beach waiter, and the front desk staff, everyone was warm, welcoming, and very polite. That kind of service really makes a difference in the whole experience. It was Christmas because this was Christmas Day. The food. The oka, makuai fresh young. Tasted very amazing. Everything that we tried that day was delicious. The kids loved their spaghetti and the fish and chips as well. Overall, makuai mangayan experience Iliaso. The view was stunning and the beach water was very malulu, clear and perfect for swimming. So it was very, very manaya. The day pass was about 30 Tala per person. And honestly, worth it out.
Experience here at Return to Paradise. Beautiful views, great service, and a relaxing day well spent with the family. For us, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. If you're planning a trip to Samoa, this is a spot worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you in the next adventure.